Fala pessoal, beleza? Começando um vídeo novo aí. Hoje eu tô indo numa loja aqui no Miami Design Street, que é uma loja que vende umas coisas bem diferentes. Minha amiga Giovana convidou eu pra vir. E vamos aí, vou encontrar com ela e vamos ver qual é que é dessa loja. Cara, essa loja que eu tô indo, eu vi umas fotos na internet, ela é bem legal. Vi umas fotos no Instagram deles, tudo. É uma loja que tem umas coisas que não acho em qualquer lugar pra comprar não, meu. E o lugar que ela se encontra, ela é bem unique. O lugar aqui fica no Miami, fica em Miami, fica no Miami Design Street. Nas lojas aí mais top de roupa, da moda. Olha essa loja aqui, é da Labotan. Ó, Labotan, aquela marca de sapato da sola vermelha, sabe, que é bem famoso. E, mano, e a parede da loja é de madeira, velho, de casca de árvore, velho. Olha que top, velho. Bem top, olha lá, a marca de sapato aí, ó, Labotan, que tem a sola vermelha. É chique isso daí. Todas as lojas aqui é chique, ó. Olha lá, Yves Saint Laurent. Bem chique aqui essa parte aqui, mano. Olha lá, Fendi, Rolex. Tem tudo aqui, mano. E a loja aqui. Vou lá encontrar minha amiga Giovana aí, que ela me convidou para conhecer a loja. O dono acho que vai estar lá. Ele vai mostrar pra gente a loja aí. E vamos ver qual é que é. Valeu. Eu fico aqui em Miami Design Street. Fica na frente desse estacionamento aqui, mó legal. E aqui é a Giovana, minha amiga aí. Ela vai mostrar a loja pra gente aí. Acompanha o rolê aí, ó. So you're here, you're the owner?
Yeah.
What's your name?
Patrice.
Nice.
Owner, founder, and creative director of the Arsenal.
Oh, nice, perfect. So he's gonna show us the store here. The store is very different, so he's gonna try to explain here for us a little bit. And let's see the store. Let's go.
Yeah. Wow. So yeah, the name where you are on is called the Arsenal. So this part comes from Venezia in Italy. Mm-hmm. It was the name of the first shipyard in the 16th century that Marco Polo founded. Oh, nice. And I was really super interested about the story because we are really fascinated by builders, by engineers, by travelers, by people who want to discover the world. So these machines are really used for that. I mean, a car is used to travel from A to B, but now there is a lot of new ways like spaceships, drones, mm-hmm. etc. Because the technology is going like this. So my goal was to really mutualize, source, federate, creating like a big family, a big portfolio of brands, and now we represent more than 120 brands on the market, from submarines to motorcycle and stuff like that. And in the entrance of the store you have two like crazy items. This is a prototype, so it's not a motorcycle that you can drive, but it costs like $100,000 US. So people buy these things as a piece of design, as a piece of art. So it's full carbon, it's titanium, it's a lot of new trend and new technology, and it has been it's a prototype from Harley Davidson. So it's quite unique to be able to sell a prototype of such a big brand. Nice. And on the back we have a submarine, so it's quite funny because on the markets you have now 7 brands of submarines. So the funny thing is, how can someone wake up a day and say, oh, I'm going to create a submarine brand? So we have 7 brands for submarines, so it's a private submarine. It can go 900 feet under the water, so it's a lot. Wow. And you can get 3 people on it, but now you have some models.
How many people fit?
3.
3?
1, 2 and a driver in the middle.
Oh, nice.
And these parts are opening like this, mm-hmm. And when it floats on the ocean, it creates like a private beach, so people can stay here and jump and swim and get back into the submarines.
How much?
This price is $2.2 million.
Wow.
The funny thing is that they sold 12 units in 10 years, and most of the units are not used to discover the oceans, but they are used for security reasons. Because finally, when you get on your mega yachts and when you have issues, you take your submarine as an elevator and you go down to the sea. And when the danger is out, you get up and you get back to your yacht. Funny story.
Nice. Did you drive this before?
Yeah, the thing is I tried everything, and I always try everything to be able to...
That's the fun part, try everything.
Everything, yeah, so it's a nice job. Yeah, let's see this part because it's a really interesting concept. So this is what we call old to new, or new to old. This is a 219 BMW, so it's a real new motorcycle, completely new. But the designer called Nostalgia Motorcycle, he completely redid the bike as a 1950 BMW from the Second War. And he made some adjustment of design.
Prototype too, or no?
Sorry?
It's prototype?
No, this is a series of 99 pieces, and the price is $90,000. The actual bike...
$90 mil isso daí,
The
caralho.
actual bike is like $30,000, but with the job it goes up to $90,000.
Mano, a loja aqui tem vários itens diferentes, mas tudo voltado pra corrida, assim, entendeu? Pra mobilidade, tipo, pra carro, pra moto, submarino, tem tudo aqui, cara. Bem diferente a loja. E tá até explicando tudo aí, bem legal. Perguntar os valores pra ele das coisas, tudo pra mostrar pra vocês aí. Mano, olha essa roupa, cara. Parece saco de lixo, velho. Deve ser uma grana ainda.
So this is a parachute textile.
Oh, nice.
So I wear it every day like underwear.
Oh, cool.
So I developed all the products also with my creative team. This is made with parachute thing. So it's extremely light and extremely quick to dry.
Nice, I like it.
Yeah.
Like you feel like you don't wear anything, right?
Yeah, exactly.
That's what I wear.
Yeah.
I like it. I like it because you kind of try everything, you wear everything here. This
No, yeah. You need to live the thing.
It's a lifestyle, right?
Yeah, completely. Yeah, it's a complete lifestyle.
I like it. Very different. What's your favorite thing here in the store?
It's really hard because all the pieces which are there have been really conceived and developed, and I'm really part of a lot of projects, so it's quite difficult. If I would have to choose the car behind me is my baby, and I've been always obsessed about that car because the shape is absolutely crazy. Imagine a car now having that such dangerous parts, so you can easily kill a baby with that. So it's really interesting to see how the design has changed a lot. Now the cars are like bubbles, and the back of the car is called long tail boats. So it's a really long back in the car with a split window. So it's an absolute piece of design.
Nice.
It's not an expensive car, but I keep it as a baby in my store as a piece of design. And after, I think my second piece is the table, my office. It's made with engine jet used by the NASA.
Private jet? Like,
no, space jet.
oh, space jet?
Yeah.
Nice. More location? Or just here?
Yeah, we have another store in Macau, in China. Because Macau is really important for it's like a door to China. And I think we're going to open more stores. So we have another project at the Miami South Beach. And we're going to open another one in Switzerland, Dubai. We are on the way to open more locations.
What is that? Like,
This is underwater drones.
nice.
So it's literally a drone that you can put underwater. So you have 3 cameras and propellers, and it's a drone, and it goes down to the sea, and you can see the water with that.
nice. Different. But it need to be connected with the
Yeah,
cable?
you need to connect it with the cable, yeah.
Oh, nice. Cara, olha que legal esse drone aqui, ó. Esse drone aqui é pra entrar na água. Ai, ai, ai. Ui, ui, ui. Melhor nem pegar, é uma pesada, vai que eu quebro e fodeu tudo. Mas é pra entrar na água. E tem umas câmeras, tudo aqui, ó. Bem legal isso aqui, ó. Caralho, é o preço. 3 contos. Mas na minha opinião esse aqui é o mais top, ó. É um submarino, cara. Submarino. Submarino bem louco. Ela que me chamou.
Na verdade, o Instagram do Brasil, que é @arsenale_Miami. E aí eu tô promovendo aqui a loja, mais ou menos. Eu chamei os outros pra virem fazer um vídeo.
Valeu
na loja.
pelo convite. Gostei da loja aí.
Obrigada, porque a gente tá querendo realmente atrair um público brasileiro pra cá.
Qual que é o seu item favorito aí da loja aí?
Eu gostei do carro que chegou aqui ontem, o carro do meu povo, eu gosto muito. Eu gosto desse carro.
Mas gostei da loja, meu, bem diferente, uma coisa que eu nunca vi na vida. O que eu mais gostei foi o submarino ali, ó. Quanto vale? Ele falou 3 milhões? Caralho, de dólar. O negócio aqui não é qualquer um não, essa loja não. Mas valeu. Valeu de novo aí. Vou colocar as informações aí embaixo aí. Quem quiser vir na loja aí, vem aí. É isso aí, valeu.